Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Ever thought Home Depot was just for hammers and nails? Think again. Hidden within its aisles are 30 incredible business machines waiting to launch your next big venture. From cutting-edge tools to industrial-grade equipment, we're uncovering gems that could be your ticket to success. So grab a seat, smash that like button, and let's dive into opportunities you didn't know existed. The Inside Ring Engraver is a precision tool crafted for engraving intricate details on materials such as gold and silver. Equipped with a sharp diamond nib and automatic centering capabilities, this machine ensures high-quality, personalized results with every use. Its durable, all-metal body and stable base provide balance and consistency during operation, making it a trusted tool for jewelers and engraving professionals. At approximately $200, it offers great value for businesses aiming to provide personalized engraving services with consistent, flawless results, while its manual operation system allows for detailed custom engravings. The commercial electric meat bandsaw delivers high-powered performance with its 2200-watt motor, cutting effortlessly through meat, bones, and frozen products. It offers adjustable thickness settings from 0.16 to 8.7 inches, catering to various cutting needs in butcher shops and supermarkets. Its heavy-duty build, featuring steel and aluminum alloy, ensures durability for long-term commercial use. At a price of around $1,800, this bandsaw offers robust value for businesses requiring a powerful and precise meat-cutting solution. The Laser Engraver brings precision cutting and engraving to various materials like wood, acrylic, and fabric, making it an indispensable tool for businesses. With its sturdy honeycomb bed and air assist system, this machine guarantees stability and precise cuts, while its safety features such as tinted window and an emergency stop button prioritize user protection. Offering compatibility with design software like Lightburn and CorelDRAW, it seamlessly integrates into professional workflows. Priced at around $3,900, it provides excellent reliability for businesses seeking high-accuracy laser capabilities. The Commercial Meatball Forming Machine is an essential addition for businesses aiming to streamline their meatball production with automated efficiency. Its interchangeable molds produce meatballs in 6 different sizes, making it a versatile tool for various types of cuisine. This machine significantly cuts down on labor costs by automating the time-consuming shaping and caters forming stages, making it a highly productive investment for commercial kitchens. Priced at roughly $1,400, it presents a highly economical option for boosting productivity in catering and food preparation. The Hot Air Popcorn Machine excels in high-volume popcorn production, making it a key investment for large-scale operations. Its stainless steel construction, including a mixing bowl and agitator blade, ensures longevity and easy maintenance, perfect for businesses that rely on continuous use. At approximately $19,500, this machine is ideal for those seeking to maximize their popcorn production capacity, capable of churning out up to 100 pounds of gourmet popcorn per hour. It also incorporates advanced digital temperature controls, ensuring even cooking and caramelization in every batch. The Refrigerated Vending Machine brings sleek design and high functionality to the world of commercial vending. Boasting 60 product slots and an interactive 22-inch touchscreen, it offers customers an engaging and easy purchasing experience. Its modern black finish, along with LED interior lighting and metal shelving, gives it a stylish yet durable appeal. With a price tag hovering around $8,700, this machine offers substantial value for businesses seeking a reliable, versatile, and user-friendly vending solution, with many users praising its expansive storage and convenient payment systems. The Commercial Hard Ice Cream Machine stands out as a premium choice for businesses aiming to boost their ice cream production capacity. Capable of producing up to 19 quarts of ice cream per hour, this machine is designed to meet the demands of busy commercial environments. Its durable stainless steel build and food-grade cylinder ensures it withstands heavy use, while advanced puffing technology allows for customizable textures. With a price point near $2,500, this machine presents an affordable and efficient way for businesses to expand their dessert offerings. The Orange Juicer Machine is an efficient solution for businesses needing to serve fresh juice quickly in high-traffic environments. Its ability to juice up to 20 oranges per minute makes it a great addition to cafes, restaurants, and juice bars. This machine features a large feed chute that handles oranges of various sizes and an automatic peeling system for streamlined juice production. Customers have found this juicer to be particularly fun to watch as it swiftly fills pitchers with fresh juice. Its competitive pricing provides excellent value for high-volume juice production. The Tamping Rammer is a robust machine designed to tackle heavy-duty compaction jobs in soil and asphalt work. Featuring a gasoline engine and a built-in wheel kit for ease of mobility, this tool can deliver an impressive 2.3 pounds of impact force. Despite some feedback about loose bolts and occasional engine starting difficulties, users generally find its performance and reliability suitable for both professional and DIY applications. Its rugged build ensures longevity, making it a valuable investment for those in construction and landscaping projects. The Shawarma electric grill machine offers a compact yet powerful solution for preparing shawarma and grilled meats, making it an excellent addition to food businesses. Its dual burners and 360 degrees rotational heating ensures evenly cooked meals every time, while the durable and corrosion-resistant design simplifies maintenance. At approximately $135, it represents a budget-friendly yet effective option for businesses that require a portable, dependable grilling machine. The easy-to-clean components further enhance its appeal, ensuring smooth operations with minimal downtime. The Commercial Gumball machine offers an engaging solution for businesses seeking to attract attention in busy environments with a versatile triple-compartment dispenser. Built with a sturdy iron stand and durable plastic jars, this machine is designed to withstand heavy traffic while maintaining stability. Each compartment is equipped with anti-theft locks and reliable coin mechanisms that accept quarters, making it easy to operate and manage. At roughly $230, it's a budget-friendly option for businesses looking to add a fun and interactive candy dispenser to their location. The grinder is a powerful machine suited for commercial operations that require the crushing and grinding of a variety of dry materials, such as corn, soybeans, rice, oats, and spices. With an adjustable fineness valve and low-noise operation, it delivers a high output of finely ground powder at a rate of 50-60 kg per hour. Its disc-type mechanism ensures efficient processing, and it requires a 50-amp circuit for optimal performance. Priced at about $750, this grinder is a valuable asset for businesses aiming to streamline their grinding tasks with minimal noise and maximum efficiency. The commercial food processor stands as a vital asset in high-capacity kitchens, providing efficient slicing and shredding for a wide range of ingredients. Featuring a robust 1600 RPM motor and 6 interchangeable blades, this machine is built for versatility and speed. Its dual fitting holes make processing large quantities of food quick and easy. With a price point of around $500, it's a cost-effective solution for businesses focused on enhancing their food prep efficiency, while ensuring straightforward maintenance with its easy-to-clean removable parts. The electric sugarcane juicer is an industry-grade machine designed for fast, high-capacity juice extraction, perfect for busy commercial settings. Capable of processing up to 661 pounds of sugarcane per hour, this machine features a powerful motor and 3 rollers for efficient juice production. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it ensures longevity and ease of maintenance even under demanding conditions. At approximately $500, this juicer represents excellent value for juice stands and beverage shops seeking to maximize their production output while maintaining quality and consistency. The Induction bottle sealer is a highly efficient continuous sealer designed for industrial-scale operations requiring rapid bottle sealing. Utilizing electromagnetic induction, it generates immediate heat to create secure and tamper-proof seals in plastic and glass bottles with caps ranging from 0.8 to 3.1 inches in diameter. This sealer is ideal for industries like cosmetics, food packaging, and pharmaceuticals, offering reliable and fast processing. At a price of around $700, it offers businesses a dependable and high-speed sealing solution that enhances productivity and ensures product integrity. The heat press machine offers a dynamic 6-in-1 combo system, making it perfect for creating personalized items such as t-shirts, mugs, and more. Its 360-degree swing-away arm, dual-tube heating technology, and accurate digital control panel ensure consistent pressure and precise temperature for high-quality transfers. Users can set temperatures up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit and time settings up to 999 seconds, providing reliable performance for various sublimation projects. With a price around $200, this machine balances affordability and functionality, making it a great investment for hobbyists and small business owners alike. The Slushy Machine caters to businesses in need of a high-performance frozen drink solution, ensuring speedy and efficient production. Its dual tanks and a powerful 950-watt compressor rapidly chills mixtures to produce refreshing, perfectly textured slushes. An intuitive digital display and easy-flow spout streamline operations and help reduce spills during service. At a price point close to $1,900, it provides businesses such as hotels and dessert parlors with great reliability and value while significantly enhancing customer satisfaction. The Mini Pancake Baker is a high-capacity machine that quickly produces 50 mini pancakes per batch, making it a great asset for cafes and bakeries looking to diversify their menu offerings. It features adjustable temperature controls, a 5-minute timer, and dual thermostats for even cooking. With a price of roughly $270, this pancake baker provides excellent value, helping businesses increase productivity while delivering consistent, high-quality results with minimal effort. The gas deep fryer stands out as a versatile and high-performing appliance, perfect for commercial kitchens requiring a large volume frying capacity. Its 50-pound oil capacity combined with a natural gas burner system ensures rapid and precise frying for a wide range of menu items. Designed with a user-friendly control panel, it supports chefs in maintaining efficiency during busy service periods. This fryer enhances productivity, making it a valuable addition to restaurants and fast food establishments. The fryer filter machine provides a robust solution for maintaining oil quality in bustling commercial kitchens. With its 5.8-gallon capacity, this commercial-grade filtration system is equipped to handle high volumes of frying oil efficiently. The machine boasts thermostatic control, a safety net, and 4 universal wheels, enhancing both safety and mobility. Priced at approximately $1,000, it offers businesses a cost-effective way to prolong the life of their frying oil and reduce frequent replacements, thereby lowering operational costs in busy restaurant environments. The Engraving Machine delivers precision and versatility, ideal for detailed engraving on various materials like wood, metal, and acrylic. It features a 10-watt laser with a fine beam size and includes a rotary roller for cylindrical objects as well as air assist for cleaner cuts. With a high-speed operation of 10,000 millimeters per minute, this machine provides swift and accurate results, catering to both professionals and hobbyists. While priced at a competitive range, many users appreciate its performance, although some have noted the need for more comprehensive setup instructions. The Chicken Plucker machine offers an efficient and durable solution for poultry processing, particularly for small farms and commercial businesses. Featuring a stainless steel drum and a powerful 1500-watt motor, this machine uses 106 rubber fingers to effectively defeather medium to large birds at a speed of 275 RPM. Capable of processing 2 to 4 birds simultaneously, it drastically reduces time and labor in poultry preparation. At an approximate cost of $300, this machine provides excellent value for farms and businesses needing a reliable defeathering tool. The electric sausage stuffer is a versatile tool that streamlines the sausage-making process with its hands-free foot pedal operation, offering smooth and precise control. Featuring adjustable speed settings, it allows for the creation of a variety of sausage sizes with ease and accuracy. Its durable design, paired with easy-to-clean parts, ensures minimal maintenance even during heavy, frequent use. Priced at around $460, this machine offers a robust and reliable solution for both small businesses and large-scale sausage production. The powder coating system is a highly efficient electrostatic machine designed for both large-scale production and smaller batch testing. Delivering a 100 kV output, it features a powder hopper for enhanced application efficiency and an intelligent control panel that allows for precise adjustments of voltage and air pressure. Its 360-degree mobile base provides excellent maneuverability, making it suitable for diverse production environments. With a price of around $450, this system is a cost-effective solution for businesses requiring consistent high-quality powder coating results. The Vinyl Cutting Plotter is a high-performance professional-grade tool tailored for creating custom signs and decorative crafts across a variety of materials. From vinyl to cardstock, this versatile plotter handles over 100 material types with ease thanks to its seamless integration with the Sign Master software. Featuring a durable aluminum build and an illuminated LCD display, this plotter is both portable and user-friendly, ideal for creatives on the go. At an estimated price of $400, it offers substantial value for users seeking a Bluetooth-enabled, all-in-one cutting machine for professionals and personal projects alike. The Food Dehydrator revolutionizes the food preservation process with its powerful performance and capacity to dehydrate a wide variety of foods, from fruits to meats. Equipped with 20 removable stainless steel trays, this machine maximizes efficiency with its U-shaped heating tube that ensures rapid and consistent drying. Small food production businesses will find this machine indispensable, allowing for large batch processing that significantly boosts productivity. At around $300, this dehydrator is an excellent investment for both commercial and home use, offering exceptional value through its large capacity and reliable performance. The Fried Ice Cream Roll Machine brings a trendy and customizable dessert experience to businesses like cafes and food trucks, offering swift production of popular rolled ice cream treats. The spacious pan and powerful compressor allow for rapid freezing, enabling quick service during busy hours. Equipped with an intuitive control panel for precise temperature management, this machine guarantees consistent results every time. Priced at approximately $900, it's an outstanding value for businesses looking to enhance customer engagement and increase sales with its innovative dessert option. The semi-automatic cup sealing machine excels in delivering efficient and accurate sealing for high-volume beverage operations. With its intelligent temperature-controlled system and digital control panel, this machine supports cup diameters between 90 and 95 mm, ensuring leak-proof seals for materials like polypropylene and polyethylene. Offering both manual and automatic modes, it provides versatility and precision to match diverse business needs. Priced at around $270, it represents an excellent investment for cafes and restaurants looking for a dependable, easy-to-use solution for their sealing processes. The Commercial Ice Maker combines sleek design and rugged durability, making it an essential addition to any commercial kitchen, bar, or cafe. This machine features an intuitive LCD control panel with a programmable timer, streamlining the process of managing ice production. Producing up to 130 pounds of ice per day, it meets the demands of high-traffic establishments that require a steady and reliable supply of ice. At around $500, this ice maker offers exceptional value, providing businesses with a cost-effective solution to keep up with daily customer needs. The Peanut Butter Machine is built specifically to handle the demands of businesses that require continuous high-volume nut butter production. Constructed with a robust stainless steel frame, it guarantees both long-lasting durability and ease of cleaning, while its double support system ensures steady operation. Equipped with an 11-watt motor, it efficiently grinds up to 33 pounds of nuts per hour and allows for customizable grind fineness to achieve ideal results. Although maintenance is simple, some users have reported challenges in cleaning a few components, though it consistently delivers strong performance in commercial settings.